Welcome, I'm Crafty Maryanne. Today let's make a turkey roulade with mushroom duxelle.
I'm going to show you how to butcher a turkey today, and this does take a little bit of time, but I do have it on a fast speed. It is crucial that you're able to remove the turkey breast and save the skin in as large of a piece as possible, because those are the two things that you need to make your roulade. The first thing to do is break down the turkey by removing the legs and wings, while being careful to leave the skin intact as much as possible. The key to it is to find the joint of either the thigh or the wing where it's attached to the bird. Once you've found it, you'll be able to cut the tendons and ligaments, and the leg quarter or wing will come off in one piece. Now you are free to remove the skin. Again, the goal is to keep it in one piece. This is what we will use to wrap around the roulade. You will see me using a lot of paper towels, some for my hands, the counter, the turkey. The drier you can keep your hands, turkey, counter, and knife, the safer and faster you will be. We've made some great progress on this bird. Next up, we're going to remove the turkey breast, and you want to start at the breastbone and put your knife against it and start slicing. As you slice, the breast will fall away from the bone. If possible, keep the knife as tight on that. Keep the knife as close to the bone as you cut so you get a large smooth piece. Now we're going to fillet the turkey breast open and flat.
And remove the breast. I filleted it and laid it open. Our next step is going to be to put plastic down on the countertop to lay out the turkey skin, and then we'll put the turkey breast on top of the skin, and then mushroom duxelle. We'll roll it all up, and we'll be ready to go to the oven at that point. Great, let's get started. Now for our turkey skin. So not only is the turkey skin going to impart flavor, it's going to impart color too, and give a nice texture. Perfect. I haven't always had a mallet, and in the past I've done things where I've used the bottom of a sauce pot or a frying pan. I tried using a hammer once, a straight hammer, and yeah, it really didn't work, because every time you'd hit it, it just made left an indent and broke right through all the turkey. So you need something that's flat that'll even out your pounding a little bit. Alright, so we have our skin, our turkey, now for our duxelle. Alright, and we're going to roll, in this case we're going to roll going that way. So to start your roll, you want to just pick up the skin, and it is going to slide a little bit on you. That's normal, it's common. You just want to start tucking it in on itself. now for the next step is we're going to tie it up with butcher's twine. That way it doesn't come apart in the pan. So you just take your twine, slide it a little bit under the bird, under the roulade. There we go. The ingredients we need to make mushroom duxelle are mushrooms, butter, I'm using a sweet onion, pepper, salt, garlic, and thyme. I'm going to start by finely chopping up the mushrooms, and then I will mince the onion and the garlic, and then we'll get it all in the pan and get it cooking down so we have this beautiful mushroom duxelle that's very flavorful for going inside of our turkey roulade. So as you can see, the mushrooms are browning, the onions are browning, and onions that aren't brown yet have already gone clear, so we've gotten most of the moisture out of them. So they'll be able to caramelize here.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining Crafty Maryanne.